In the heart of whispering forest, animals lived each in their own corner. They never talked to others, and peace was beginning to fade. The elephants ruled near the river. Monkeys owned the treetops. Wolves walked the shadows. Birds flew over all, but none of them trusted each other. Bruno the bear, birds are selfish. Ellie the elephant, monkeys play too many tricks. Kiko the parrot, wolves, always hunting. Words created walls. No one dared cross them. FX, roar. One morning, a thunderous roar echoed through the forest. It wasn't from a lion or a tiger. It was something different. All animals gathered at the old meeting place. Fear was in their eyes. Squirrel, what was that? Rabbit, I'm scared. Ellie, we must find out together. A brave team was formed. Big and small, fast and slow, loud and quiet, each had a role. They crossed rivers, climbed steep hills, and slept in cold nights. Ellie lifted logs, Kiko scouted ahead, Zara protected them, and Riku watched from the sky. Kiko, Zara's not so scary after all. Zara, I never thought monkeys were helpful. Ellie, I'm learning from all of you. For the first time, trust was blooming. Following the sound, they reached a canyon. Inside was a lion cub trapped under rocks. Leo cub, help! I'm stuck. I didn't mean to scare anyone. Ellie moved rocks. Kiko squeezed through gaps. Zara dug the ground. Riku gave directions. Nia comforted Leo. Leo, thank you. I thought no one would help me. Now, they walked as friends. No walls, no fear, just unity. Riku, we did it. Together, back home, animals were amazed. Their leaders, once divided, now stood side by side. Monkey, can we play with the deer? Wolf pup, can I run with the birds? The forest whispered again, but not secrets. It whispered hope, friendship, and unity. Moral message appears on screen. We are stronger together.